Hello, this is John again. This property is €4,000 only for 10 days, and then it goes up to €6,750. As you can tell, we're on a brand new road from the town Opeka, and that's Lyublen down below. It's a nice, well balanced village. Okay, so we're at the property now. Cross this bridge. This isn't the only way in. There's a road passing in front of the other end of the bridge as well, which gives you left or right access to the property. In front of you is the driveway, a long driveway. Now this property has 1,200 square metres of land, 3 bedrooms upstairs, 3 rooms downstairs, storage, ideal bathroom. There's outbuildings, there's annex buildings, but it's awfully overgrown. The property itself can still be saved, although it's in very bad condition. But we're talking about €4,000 freehold. As you can see, the vegetation around has just literally turned wild. The entrance gates is big enough for a vehicle. You might have a problem turning into the drive if you've got a very long wheelbase van. These are the outbuildings. We can't access the outbuildings today because of the overgrowth. And to the house. Now I've put this still shot in to show what the property looks like when it's not so quite overgrown. You can see it's a real house, and I think it can still be saved. This is €4,000 for a freehold property, 1,200 square metres of land. The house is situated in the middle of the plot, although the back garden is slightly bigger than the front garden. The ceilings are dark chipboard. Why dark I never know, but it makes it look even more gloomy. So here we go, going upstairs to the property. You can see how overgrown it is. Okay, on the right hand side there you can see a hole in the ceiling which goes straight up, so that must be repaired. This is the corridor. At the end of the corridor they've boxed off a small room which would make an ideal bathroom. You see where the wall is broken there? This tells me it's a timber frame with bricks, which means you can repair it. This plastic tile stuff on the ceilings I think is terrible. It should always be removed whenever you buy a house like this, because if they ever catch a light they will rain down on you. Hot plastic. The windows are still intact. The wardrobe stays, if anybody wants one. So there's one big room, 2 big rooms, a large corridor, and what would be a bathroom if you developed it that way. And that was it. So upstairs you've got the 2 large rooms, corridor, and a storage room which you would probably convert to a bathroom. Downstairs you've already been in 1 room, which is right here. Outdoor sink. And there's so much more to see. can't tell you how bad the roof is, I can't see it. Okay, this is the other area downstairs. This is obviously once a kitchen. You can see daylight there. There was daylight coming through the wall, so some bricks have moved. Again, it's shocking dark ceilings. €4,000 freehold. Even if you took it apart for spare building materials. Next section, which we would call the annex. It's the side of the building. That was that hole you may have been looking at. And there's more. This is an old bathroom, or it was once. So you can see there's lots of possibilities. Now at the end of this video I've got the skizzer, which shows you the outline plans for a property within the plot itself. You can't see much now. I can't tell you any more than what you've seen, and I really wish I could, but this has to be a bargain. Even if you break it down and you've got lorry loads of building material. Oh, and of course the 1,200 square metres of building land at the end of a long drive. You can see it was very nice once. There's grapes everywhere. But it's literally like being in a forest at the moment. Over in the distance, that's the toilet, the outside toilet, which we can't even get to. Now the €4,000 is only good for 10 days. If I can't sell it for €4,000, it will go up €6,750 and it will stay there. And yes, I know I'm going to get lots of abuse, but yes, €4,000 doesn't get you that much. In this instance, I think the property can be saved. So that's it. Let me know what you think. If you've got any comments, let me know. If you need to contact me, it's in the description. Contact me directly and let me know which video you're talking about, because quite often I have no idea. As you can see, the main property is in the middle of the plot. Top left, you can see the red mark. The red mark is your driveway into the property. I don't know if the plot is level. I don't know if it's hilly. You know what I know. So hopefully another video soon. Thank you very much for watching and best of luck.